today. Thursday morning, racing to the auction. Racing. Was up too late, woke up too late. Got to be there in like 10 minutes. I'm going to try to buy something this morning because I'm out of merch.
Who wants this open in the back?
Yeah, raise your hand, everybody. Want some money? Open it.
Okay.
Fuck it, let's just sell it. I'm a gambler.
What's in there?
I'm with him, leave it closed.
But right now you're going on.
Let's gamble.
Take it,
I was ready to buy it up now. I was going to buy it. I swear to God.
I guess a movie camera and a stripper pole.
No.
Right now, we don't have to lean it. It's yours.
Right.
That's
Let's
the
sell
gamble.
it.
Just sell it.
Instead of going to Reno,
Sell it.
like
let's
that.
roll some dice.
Sell it.
Don't touch him.
If you buy it, I'm gonna see what
You want to buy it, it's like it is.
Yes, I do.
Wait, one.
Because to me, it's a YouTube video.
Hit it! It's a really funny auction. Everybody wants these one.
Okay, hold on. It's
Oh, you had the perfect video right here. That's, you should have been recording for the game. You was just close with the axe like this. That'd have been perfect.
Gamble on that. Are you? Shit, fucking girl lights in there. Volkswagen van back there.
I feel like
It's only 10 foot behind.
they won't tell you.
20 foot by 40.
I'm trying to test this.
20 foot to the
Sure.
left.
Yep. Everybody?
What? All right, if it's tires back there, she'll take them.
I'll take them.
If it's a motorcycle, she'll take that too.
I'll take them. No, I will not.
Everything behind there's yours,
The lady's bid.
unless it's tires.
Hmm? If it's tires, I'll take them.
They're building up the fucking. Sell it.
And that wall's 18 feet in.
200.
18 feet, and how long is this unit?
40 feet.
40 feet.
Yeah. Could be all there. I think that's around second. Could be anything. Could be fucking air, lumber, furniture, boxes.
I'm gonna go for a lot now because everybody's sitting there
Sell it.
getting all.
No, I'm telling you, that's 18 feet to that wall. I do this every day. I move these containers every day.
These aren't for containers.
Oh, he said you ain't gonna know. You ain't gonna sell it if they find out what's behind. You heard him say that earlier?
All right, unit 730, the gambler unit here. How about 100 to open it?
Yep.
I got 100 over here, now 150. Two here, 250, 275.
4.
5, 6, 7, 8. Pull down a little bit. We'll just jump. I got 7 here, look, for $800. $800 on this unit. $800?
725.
I'll take 725, 750 then. 775.
Got Mike. I just had to
You're
do it
on.
one time. Go
8 here, 8 and a quarter,
You gonna let me
850.
see?
850 for the gamble. Don't miss out on this. 850 here.
No, 850 there. That's
875. Now 9.
We're a team. And
$900.
the manager's The manager.
Managers in for 875. 900 here. 9 and a quarter. 925. 925 anywhere.
What's it at?
925. I've got 9 in the back looking for 925. 925. Last chance. Sold for 900.
40-foot unit. I bought it just to see what's behind that fucking wood. Yeah, everybody $40 a look. Make my money back.
That way either. Bro, give me a sledgehammer or something.
This is why I said somebody fucking definitely beat the manager.
Why you stuck? Come on, teamwork. Make the dream work.
Ah, fuck, I'm not trying to do all that.
Here, I'll help him.
Go ahead.
Record it.
Go ahead.
That's gonna work.
No, that big one is doing. That little one.
There you go.
It's going. One is good. Just do the elbow, please. Yep. Tell me the whole thing almost.
That anger you had is gone.
Put the couple of.
Is somebody in there?
I think the fucking. Maybe he's right. You smell something?
I hope I ain't no one in there.
Yeah, it smells
Take a
shit.
peek.
Nah, that's.
Take a peek, Mike.
Nah, keep going. How do you feel? There's stuff back there.
Yeah.
It's stuff. There's a piece of plywood.
Plywood.
Stuff, what kind of stuff? Shit.
Doesn't make sense.
What about the bike?
Come on, come back.
As if they're renting it, huh?
Where is the light?
I'll rip it out of there. Hold it that way.
There's
Let me
someone
get it,
jump
man.
in.
I'll get
Hold
it.
on.
I'll just rip it off. There's nothing on top of it.
Every single one.
Help him, man. Give him a hand.
This is the money. These are fucking skateboard fucking skateboard. This is $100.
Tweaker.
There's no fucking boat.
No boat, no car, no Harley.
No. Fucking nothing.
Hey, close it and tell these tires.
Throw some tires back there for us.
some tires we need to get rid of?
Yeah, you're
Weird, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
Take it over.
What the fuck is this? There's tools. Compressor. Heading out to Oakley. Going to load up some of this stuff from that unit yesterday. Get some better footage. Tried to film going through the wall, and my phone died as I got through the wall. That wasn't cool. So today we check out what was behind door number 2. It's a better look at the unit from yesterday. Camera died, so I didn't get a chance to get too much filming going on. A little shady up in here. A little shady, but it was all to see what was behind door number 2. This is what made me think that there was potentially a car back there. As you see these, and you're thinking, you know, there's got to be a fucking badass car back there. There's got to be. The sneak peek. First view of what was actually back here. Somebody's stuff. It's not the kind of tomb I was expecting it to be. But it's all right, I guess. Like there's I mean, I see sellable stuff and so forth.
There's a household back here and there's top up here or something.
Yeah, but it's like they were hiding something, you know. Could be some stuff in here. You never fucking know. Something
Yeah.
decent.
There's a lot of fucking totes.
I'm hoping for like a box of guns. Tweakers, they're weird. There's a transmission here for the car, whatever it is.
Compressor and a generator, both, right?
Yeah, a compressor and generator. It's not bad for $900. I mean, I see money to be made, but it's kind of skanky. I like it. What are you gonna do with it? Probably looking at here is a 305 and a 350 Chevy engine blocks, and they have the camshaft also. But that's what the paperwork written on the side of them say. We'll see soon. Uncle Michael is trying to work hard today. This is his dolly he's using. Almost got a clear path, take the wall all the way down. It's just a bunch of stuff back there. No rhyme or reason. My prediction, what I'm hoping for, because of what I see in the unit so far, and just trying to psychologically profile the person, because yes, profiling is right when you buy storage units. I'm hoping for guns and silver coins. So the wall's down. This is what's behind door number 2. Stuff. Interesting. It's just been sealed. I guess he didn't need this stuff. He just said, like, let's just set it back here. But anyway, we're about to see what is in here. There's a nice mattress.
I know. So that fucking
Comes with bed bugs.
Stockton.
Got a little transmission here. Maybe these go with the 350 block.
Got this stuff.
So far, this is one of the coolest items we found in here. What do we have in here? Can you even see in there? Oh, we're getting closer to guns. We're getting closer to guns. What are those for right there? That's for a 9mm or a 40 Springfield Armory. Ooh. Come on, guns. I smell you. What? We're getting closer. Military. I believe these are German because of the way they have the Warbird Eagle there, but I could be wrong. They say Wyersburg and Solingen. I think we got something there. 10-inch bench saw. Right in the box. Close. Last file cabinet had a few decent things in it, so let's see what this one has. Oh, not decent things. I don't see any guns. No. Picture frame. Well, that sucks. Need a dog bowl? No. Oh, fuck that. Okay. What do we got here? Do we have a fucking pry bar?
Here's a screwdriver to that set. Or, I don't know what that set was too.
Why is this not coming? Not guns? Not guns. Fucking Star Trek. Fucking Star Trek magazine. That's the fucking... That's not cool. No? No. Time Life magazine. So you gotta be fucking shitting me. He was really concerned about these.
Here's fucking like a fucking weird shit on Star Trek, dude.
Yeah, Star Trek's alright.
These are all Star Trek cards, aren't they?
Yeah, but those are not very special.
Huh?
Those aren't very special. This ain't very special either.
The right person.
I mean, that's like a few dollars, but it's very, very... Trust me, I've sold some Star Trek stuff. I had some replica toys recently I got like $1,000 for. What is this? Nothing, an empty fucking box.
Pretty nice in here.
Yeah, I could be like Arrow. Got bathroom writing on the storage unit wall. Kelly wants crystals from Unators. Just fucking sure. Good sign. Probably not gonna get that close. Into the back here of this fucking insane unit. No rhyme or reason. We got a fan back here.
The milk jug, that jug.
I don't see a box of guns yet. This jug here?
Yeah, I'll sell one.
units gone through. Got one load down, got this ready for Stockton, 2 Stocktons and a dump run, and this mystery unit's done. The unit was something else. Almost looks like the manager put all the shit back there and put the wall up there. That's what I really think, but you can't go around accusing people. Nonetheless, all the boxes really seemed kind of gone through. I found one drawer had some pretty cool German military bayonets. There's a lot of old car parts. There's sellable stuff. Definitely gonna make my money back and then some. Not huge profit, especially not for the amount of work, but all in a day's business. To me, this is probably the coolest thing I found in that unit. It's not the most expensive because the engine blocks are definitely worth much more than these bayonets, but they're pretty cool. German, I think they're German. Weiersberg Soligen. Weiersberg Soligen. And this sawback one just has like a that right there, but whatever. It's got to be at least something right there. At least 2 bills. At least. Laying in my bed, reflecting on the day of this unit, blah blah blah. Just got done editing the video. Figure I'd throw this together real quick. Already got offered $200 for the sawback knife. The other 2 knives are worth like $50 each. The pressure washer thing I'm hoping to get $200 for. There was a rigid electric snake, brand new in the box. I'm contemplating keeping that for my house because my toilets keep backing up because I think my kids are like flushing Happy Meals down the toilet or something. I don't freaking know. But nonetheless, that's $300 at the store, but I'm going to keep that. The Chevy small block 305 and 350 with the cams and stuff, I've been hearing numbers anywhere from 100 to 1,000. Someone even said 1,500 for them. They seem to be refinished and wrapped in plastic to prevent themselves from rusting. There's a whole slew of cheap used tweaker tools and crap we loaded today, so that's a good little flea market load, plus the other 2 flea market, 1.5 flea market loads left in there. I can see a double money very possible on this, but it is definitely a lot of work. But nonetheless, yeah, that's a rundown of what was actually in there, sale-wise, in my opinion.